In humid climates, dehumidifiers and air conditioner auxiliary heaters face constant challenges from moisture and condensation. Ordinary heating elements corrode easily, suffer from frequent failures, and deliver slow defrosting performance, which directly reduces the efficiency and service life of your appliances. Our dedicated PTC auxiliary heaters solve these problems completely. Built with a corrosion-resistant aluminum shell and sealed insulation structure, they operate stably even in high humidity environments. They deliver fast, uniform heating for efficient defrosting and supplementary warming with self-regulating temperature to prevent overheating. They are perfectly suited for household dehumidifiers, split air conditioners, mobile air conditioners, and HVAC systems. We support full customization of power, dimensions, and mounting methods to match every appliance model. Upgrade your heating performance today. Contact us for a customized solution.